Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to send messages directly from your PC. If you've been wondering how to do this efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your desktop. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar layout that you know from your mobile device. Next, look for the Messages icon on the left menu. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane and is located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on it to access your direct messages. Now, it's time to open the chat you want to send a message to. Scroll through your list of conversations or use the search function if you have many chats. Once you find the conversation, click on it to open the chat window. After opening the chat, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type your message. Simply write your message in the box provided. Take your time to craft the perfect text, whether it's a quick hello or a longer response. Finally, once you're satisfied with your message, click on the Send button. This button is usually represented by an arrow pointing right. After clicking it, your message will be sent instantly to the recipient, just as it would be on your mobile app. And there you have it. Sending messages on Instagram from your PC is straightforward and quick with this new update. No more hassle of switching devices. Now you can stay connected with friends and followers right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy messaging!